everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome, and my returner subscribers, you guys are highly appreciated. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, put on the bell that follows it so you get notified each time I upload video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing all this stuff here. These are my Black Friday haul. I already have a video out for that, and I got a request to do the unboxing, and I also got a request to tell how much I spent, because my first video I always stated how much I saved. I did not tell you guys exactly how much I spent on that video. So go get a cup of coffee, and without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm going to be starting with my tablet. All right, I'll be starting with my tablet I got for editing my. So here is the tablet, and this tablet, I got this tablet for $300. My tablet, guys. Next, I'm going to be unboxing this blender. I used this product before, like I said, but the old one didn't come with all the things this one came with. And this blender, I bought it for $400, and I saved $100. And out of everything here, this is my favorite. This is the one that I like the most, because this blender can do a lot of stuff. This blender can make soup. This blender can make ice cream. It's a commercial blender, all right, and it's a good investment. So I'm gonna be unboxing the blender now. So this is the manual that came with the blender, and it also came with this one as well. All right, all these things came with it. So this is the cover, and here is the cup. Okay, this is the cup. This is what the cup looks like. This is the cup. This is what the cup looks like. And it also came with these two cups for blend. These are for smoothie. It came with these two. So my old blender did not come with these ones. It didn't come with this one. My old vitamins did not come with this one, and it also came with this one as well. And this is the plunger. And this is the motto. All right, this is the motto, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so like this blender can do a lot of stuff. It can make ice cream. This blender can make soup, as in hot soup. This is a very good blender, and is a good investment. And this blender has 7 years warranty. 7 years warranty. So if it gets spoiled before 7 years, all you have to do is to send it back to Vitamin. They will replace it for you. Okay, it has 7 years warranty. Next, I'm going to be unboxing this one, the hand blender. And this hand blender, I spent $30 on it. So, all right. So it came with a bag. This is a bag, and I don't know what this one is for, because the old one I had did not come with this. Here is my manual. Okay, so all right, so this is the, I think this is the motto. Yeah, that is the motto. And this is what blends, all right? And this is what it came with. So this is everything. It has a cup. So this is the cup. It came with this cup. Oh, this one is broken actually. So so this one came broken. So this one, the cup, like you guys can see, this just came broken. So I'm going to return this one back. All right, it came broken. So this is the wig. Thank God I still have my receipts, and this is what it came with. So, and this is everything it came with. Like you guys can see, it came broken. It came broken. I haven't opened it before. I'm just opening it now, and it came broken. So I'm gonna have to return this back. The coffee maker. And this coffee maker, I bought it for $60. Yeah, this was $60. Okay. Yeah, the coffee maker was $60. Alright, so I guess I have to use this to open it. So this is what it looks like. This is the manual. Yeah, this is the manual. And so this, okay, so this is a glass. This is a glass. All right, this is a glass. It came with, there's a spoon inside it. I have not used this before, so I don't know. I've not used this before, and this is okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. So next, I'm going to be opening this food processor. Yeah, this is the food processor. I'm going to be opening this food processor. I used to have one before. I had one before, but it wasn't this big. Yeah, that was a small. This is the manual, and it came with a spatula. So this came with a manual and a spatula. All right. Oh my goodness. So this food processor came with lots of stuff. This came with lot of stuff. This came with lot of stuff, guys. It has a lock and you can open it. Okay, I think there's a tape here. So there's a tape here. So these are the blades. This came with different blades. This came with different blades. This came with different blades. So not sure what this is for. So I don't know what this, okay. So, and it came with this. I'm not sure what this one is for yet. All right. I know this one, and this is the head. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is this. And this is the motto. This is the motto, and it has this on the bottom. It has this on the bottom so that when you're using it, it's not moving up and down. So yeah, so that is it. Next, I'll be opening the Instant Pot. Let me see. So this is the receipt. I got this one on a different day. I got the Instant Pot on a different day, so I have my receipt here. So this is what I do when I buy stuff. I try to keep. This is the receipt for this one. So this Instant Pot, I got it for $107. The Instant Pot, I got it for $107. So it came with this. I haven't used one before, so I don't know what this one is for. This is beautiful. So, and this is the Instant Pot. Oh, okay, I guess this one is supposed to be here. That's supposed to be there. It came with this, and it has a cup, and I think this is the cord, and it came with all these spoons. It came with all these things, and this. So that is that for that. So this is a manual. Okay, so next I'm gonna be opening this humidifier. This wasn't on sale. It wasn't on sale, and we bought it for $90. So this was $90. It's for my boy. Yeah, it's for my boy for sleeping. So this was $90. It wasn't on sale. So this is what the humidifier looks like. So this is what the humidifier, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, and this is where we'll put water here. We'll put water here. And that is all. That is all for that. So next, I'm going to be opening this vacuum cleaner. So I'll be opening the vacuum cleaner. So this is the manual. Vacuum cleaner was $259. Yeah, this was $259. That was how much I bought it. All right, so it came with all this. This is the manual. It came with this one. So it came with this. this. Okay, with this one. Everything, the vacuum cleaner can't wait. So for these ones, I'm not going to be opening this one. Like I said on my last video, I'm going to be giving this one as a gift. And I bought them $15 each. Yeah, both of them cost me $30. So next, this is aquarium for my boy for his Christmas and his gaming chair. So these are too big and the video is already so long. I'm not going to be opening these ones today. Everything you see in this video plus stars, I spent a total of $2,245. So that is how much I spent in buying all of these things, and actually saved a lot too. I saved a lot. So thank you. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.